Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Singly Linked List with Python Programming. This is Ashwin, and in this video we are going to see how to create a method for deleting a list. So we are going to write that method under the definition of this class linked list, and then we are going to execute this driver cell or any one of these two driver cells that we have written for the earlier demonstrations, and then we are going to delete both the lists. So the definition is very simple. I'm going to say def delete list. So I'm trying to follow the coding convention in case you haven't noticed already. I will say current. So this is a temporary node, self.head, and while current, I will say previous equals to current dot next. Okay, and then I'm going to delete the current node, and then I will also set the current equal to the previous node, and that is how I'm going to keep on deleting each and every node. So we have keyword known as del provided by Python itself to delete anything that is in the memory. So this current dot data is occupying the memory. So we are deleting the data part here, and then we are setting the next part to previous. Okay. So now let me go ahead and execute this. It is going to define that particular thing. Okay. Delete list with the rest of the stuff that we have already written there. Now this is the driver code, and this is the more sophisticated driver code. Let me execute the more sophisticated driver code and create a linked list. Now let me print that list again. And here I'm going to call the function that is going to delete list. And if I execute this, it has deleted the list. You can actually add a simple print statement saying that the list has been successfully deleted, and you can return 0. So this means that the routine has been executed successfully. So a bit of Unix style coding. And then now we are going to try to print the list, and it should throw some sort of error. And yes, it is throwing the error because that list doesn't have anything. So this is how we can define a routine to delete a list, and we can delete a list and then try to see its value. So I hope that you have understood all the concepts and demonstrations that I have explained in this episode. You can find the code in the repository that is mentioned in the description section of this episode. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries, or comments. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for rest of the series, and thanks a lot. I will see you next time.